heart's turning, filled with fear. Dreams of freedom, so near, so far, and underneath the same bright star.
Daniela, so you decided to come to school today.
Hey class, I am back to my vibes. I know you all
Yeah.
Well, I am back. I will give you guys back.
Yes, we miss you, Sha.
I said, Daniela, I trust you now, you know my G.
Decided to turn my classroom to a market square, and you, Daniela, you came in late to school and decided to turn this classroom to a market square. Please, this should not repeat itself this time. If this should repeat itself again, I'm going to punish you all for that. Now, go back to your seats.
Ben.
You stop there. Come back here.
To break my flowers.
You're coming to school by this time.
Why you're looking beautiful?
I'm talking your chewing gum.
Just say you look beautiful.
Thank you. Go back to your seat.
Boys.
Back to your seat!
This one is wicked. Do you know he also flogged the student that was coming in class today?
Didn't you vibe to the song? No, I didn't. Ha! Precious. You can lie.
Ha! It's not like that. That girl and Blessing, did they make noise?
Which girl?
Love it.
No.
But he flogged them.
He did that maybe when next we make noise, they can easily go to him and report or to the other teacher.
Favor, why are you not saying anything? What's wrong with you?
Oscar doesn't want to talk to me anymore. Girl, I told you many times, forgive that guy. Forgive him so that you can keep feeling special in class and enjoying yourself. Look now, Vi is coming. He's looking for every possible way to run away from expenses.
People should just stop. We know that Pascal is bigger than this. I beg enough of him. Let's go back to the class.
Okay, oh, before they will say I say, keep begging, eh? Maybe he will definitely forgive you and come back to you.
I hope so.
Guy, what is going on between you and Favor? What did they happen? What did they happen between you and Favor? What did be the problem? Did they fuck up? Oh?
Samuel, you must know. Leave that girl for me.
Make I tell you, Precious come complain say Favor the vex. And I don't like her. As the vex, I don't like her.
She needs to. Because she does not value what she has.
Guy, take it gentle. Take it gentle before someone will commit suicide.
Nothing much. I just want to teach her a lesson. So that she will stop that hating on Lovett for nothing. Later I'll fix it up, okay?
Maybe after Val day now.
But wait, must be kidding.
Now all these guys now when they teach lesson. Go die, no worry.
Like I'm caging here, my heart's turning, filled with fear. Dreams of freedom.
Hello, new students. I dey talk to you.
What did you do to her?
Love it. Talk to me, love it. Talk to me, love it.
What did you do to her, small wings?
I do nothing.
Love it.
Somebody help! Somebody help! You're still talking up his right!
Love it. I've been meaning to tell you this. You can trust me on this one. Okay, even if you don't trust me, you can discuss it with your close friend Blessing. Or you can also discuss it with our class teacher, the one you know you trust. Because the way this thing is going, I'm getting scared by day. I really care about your well-being, please. I really care about your well-being. Please.
Love it.
Hi, Blessing.
Hello.
How you doing? Okay, it seems I will leave the talk, okay? So we'll talk later. Bye.
I hope you're getting better now.
Is the teacher in the class?
Not yet.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You scared me. You scared me. Does it really happen to you often?
I'm fine.
Sure. Alright, let's get it.
Love it! Where is she? Love it! Love it? What is it? I have been calling you.
Love it.
I think you should tell your friends in school about your condition, my child.
Okay.
I can't do that.
Better still a teacher.
Mom, you worried yourself too much. It's not necessary.
Remember what the doctor said the last time?
Mommy, you worried yourself too much. It's not necessary.
I mean, you are my only daughter. Why won't I? Okay, do you know what? If you can't, then I will. Okay? I will do that for you, my daughter. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll be in your school, okay?
Mommy, it has not gotten to that. Don't worry. I will take
It
care
has
of it.
gotten to it. I mean, I have called you twice, and your memory is lost. What is going on? I can't miss my only daughter. I can't.
Mommy, it's okay.
I can't.
Mommy, it's okay. Nothing happened to me. Can you just stop?
Why is she crying?
Love it. See, you can confide in me. If it's something private, I'm here for you. This your collapsing is getting out of hands, and none of our teachers are aware of it. Please.
Oh, Blessing. What are you even saying? Getting out of hand, how? It was once the thing just happened.
I disagree with you. No. See, I overheard some of our class girls saying that you fainted before, you collapsed before. So I disagree.
Okay, that's twice then.
Okay, fine, twice. So tell me, what happened?
Ah, nothing. I'm just tired.
Just tiredness. That means you don't need to stress yourself.
How?
You don't need to stress. Reading is going to stress you. So no more reading for now. Just relax yourself. My friendship. No more reading for now. Just need to relax, okay?
Hi, love it. Blessing, I've been looking for you girls.
Okay, we're here. Join us now. So, how are you? I'm fine.
Love it. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. It seems you want to get something.
Pure water and a biscuit.
Okay, can you get it? I'll pay for you.
Not again, don't worry.
Why?
I have my money. Okay?
I know you do, but I insist I want to pay for you. Just calm down. Be free, okay? Get the biscuit and the drink. I'm going to pay for you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Sorry, excuse me, there's something in your face.
Is it on my face?
Yes, something in your face.
What's that?
Okay, please.